and I'm a senior biochemistry major.
I'm Kaylee, I'm a sophomore elementary education major.
And we're quad mates!
Welcome to our quad in Bowers. This is our living room. This is our couch, and this is where we do our homework and watch movies. We also have another seating option next to the TV.
Over here we have 2 refrigerators, a microwave, Keurig, ice machine, and lots of snacks. Now we're entering the bathroom. Over here we have lots of counter space as well as a ton of storage. And then back here is our shower.
Hey! This is our toilet room. Roll Scots! The first bedroom is my roommate and I's. These are our beds. This is my roommate's and this is mine. We each have desks and this one's mine. These are our dressers and this is our walk-in closet.
Our second bedroom is my roommate and I's. This is my bed and this is my roommate's. We both also have desks to work on homework at, as well as a lot of storage for our clothes. And here is our walk-in closet. Next, I'll show you our rooms at night. Good night.